Up before sunrise, coffee black and strong. Diesel in the morning and the boots already on. The wind's got a bite and the tide's running fast. You making money on the water, better make the fuel last. Before I got my wasp, I was fishing half blind. Too many empty drops, burning fuel and time. Now that screen lights up, shows me bottom clear and fast. I can work the right ground and make every gallon last. Know your ground with words, don't waste a drop, don't waste a day. Find the hard bottom, find the ledge, put the boat where the big ones stay. Know your ground with words, see it wide and fish it smart. Less time searching, more time hauling. That's how a good day starts. Rocks and reefs, channels and sand. Every trip counts when you're making your stand. When the chart runs thin and the weather rolls in, a man sleeps better when he knows where he's been. It ain't luck, it ain't guessing, it's working smarter out where the money's made. When the fuel runs high and the clock keeps ticking, you better have the right tool for the train. You better have the right tool for the train. Know your ground with words, don't waste a drop, don't waste a day. Find the hard bottom, find the ledge, put the boat where the big ones stay. Know your ground with words, see it wide and fish it smart. Less time searching, more time hauling. That's how a good day starts. Yeah, the sea don't care, you earn what you keep. The wasp helps you fish that deep. Know your ground, hold your line, make every gallon and never set count this time.